Hamas's own Nardine, the Hamas queen Nardine, being protected by a crack addict. You're a liar and a thief, Nardine. You're a liar and a thief. You know how many people he's fucking assaulted? I got arrested. I didn't do nothing to him, bro. How many people? I'm out there shut today. You showing him on that side? Nardine, how much money did you steal? How much money did you steal? How much money did you steal, Nardine? How much money does Howard Horowitz give you, Nardine? How much money does Howard Horowitz give you? How much money does Soros give you, Nardine? How much money does Soros give you? Nardine, you shame them! Don't move your walk, back up. Nardine, you shame them!
As a health professional, you're shocked at how completely empty of any moral value these medical associations have become when they have become complicit in a televised genocide which targets doctors. And to his words, I would like to add, this is why we stand in front of NYU Tisch, NYU Langos, a medical center among many in New York City which has ignored, and not only ignored, but enabled the Gaza genocide.
Yo, Nardine, where you at? Nardine, where you at? Nardine, come out and talk to us, Nardine. Where's
Nardine, you fucking terrorist!
You're a bitch, Nardine, you're a piece of shit!
Nardine, you're a piece of shit!
You're a piece of shit, Nardine! Go back to wherever you came from!
Go to Gaza!
Fuck you, Nardine! Fuck all you! Are you gonna visit your guys in jail that beat me up? Where's Muhammad Osman? Where's Wasim? All you guys who beat me up, huh?
A bunch of bums!
Where are they? Are they in jail? Go visit them!
Bunch of terrorist supporters! Here protesting a hospital, you guys are stupid! Bunch of terrorist supporters! Get out of here. Take that bigotry off, take that bigotry off your neck. All of us in the U.S.
Especially healthcare workers.
Especially healthcare workers.
You swore on a Hippocratic oath.
He thinks he's getting paid by the cops.
You're a bunch of Judeo-Nazis. You're a bunch of Judeo-Nazis, okay?
Oh, he calls Jews Nazis. You fucking anti-Semite fuck.
Okay,
you heard that? He calls Jews Nazis. You hear that?
All right, dumb. I'm a Jew, and also my
You're a embarrassed for you. You're a fucking cop. We're embarrassed for you. You're a cop. We're embarrassed for you. We're embarrassed.
Have a responsibility.
Have a responsibility. Against death and genocide! Homosexuals, tell them the truth! Stop lying to them! Queers from Palestine is a joke! There's no freedom in Gaza! There's no freedom in Muslim countries! You can't be openly queer in a Muslim country! Stop lying!